guys, welcome. My name is DMC. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. Today I'm going to be doing another light series, like another makeup light series. So I just figured that since I have these lights, why don't I just show them to you and explain what they do, so that you have an idea of the different kind of lights we have and how they work. So today's light is ta-da, so today's light. This is professional. This light is LED. This light is professional photo and video LED light kit, very color pro LED. So this is today's light. So today's light is professional. So today's light is professional photo and video LED light kit, very color, and this is pro LED 600. So adjustable brightness and color contrasting. So that's all. So this is a light that can work for video and it can work for makeup as well. So that's the good thing about this light. So let me quickly show you what you have inside the light. So you open up like this, and you have something like this. You have something like this, and you have something like this. So this is the light itself. Okay, this is what you look like. I'm going to open it in a bit. Then it has an adapter, which is like this, and then it has the phone holder and camera holder. So let me quickly show you how it works. So let me show you how to set it up. So let's get to the fun part, how to set it up. So normally this is your ring light stand. This is our regular ring light stand. I have it here. I take the light, which is this one, the main light. That's it. That's it. So it has flap. That's the up flap, down flap, right flap, and so the light itself is LED, so it doesn't come with bulb. I don't know if you can see. So it has a flex protector, and then it has, so that's what it looks like. It's LED. Okay, so right under it has this part where you can screw on the head of this. So I'm just going to do this. Is what the back looks like. So it has two battery space at the back. So if you want to use it as a rechargeable, yes, you can. You can use it without NEPA light. You can actually plug in your batteries, and then if you want to use it directly to NEPA light, you can. So these are the control at the back, and then the on and off button. Okay, this is where the adapter will go into. Okay, so all the button, the light button, and then the off and on switch, and then the battery side, and then it's written, please switch off the power button before removing the power cable. That's the instruction. So I put this, which is this side here, on this. I'll mount it on it. So that's it. I just screw it on like that. So till it's firm. That's it. So that's it. That's what we have. So next thing I'm going to do is, I have the power cable. This is the power cable. So I'm going to unscrew and plug, and so I can show you what the light looks like. So this goes here like that, and then this goes straight to the back. Just going to turn it. That's this part. Just put it in, and then that's it. And then I will screw this as well, so I can have it extended. So this is the kind of mount it comes with, which makes a lot of sense. So you don't need to go around with the adapter. So this is the mount. Perfect. So I'm going to plug this into light now, and so you can see how it works. So it is So I plugged it to light now. So I plugged it to light source now. So let me put it on at the back. So this is it. So this is more or less like an orange light, and then this is the. Okay, so I put it on. This is it. So the light is really bright, and then you can control. So let me show you without. So this is how the light comes out. Very, very bright. This is a white light, and then you can control. This is the orange light. This is more of orange feel, and then this is more of white feel. Do you understand? This is more orange, and then this is more white. So you can control with that button, and then can you see it's warm? And then it's white. It's warm and it's white. So let me show you at the back. So at the back we have two knobs at the back. So this one, I don't know if you can see my hand. So this one is in charge of this. Okay. So at the back we have two knobs. We have the three 200 max and the 560 max. Okay, can you see? So we have two knobs at the back that you can use to control the light. So you can come like this. This, you can see this actually gives a warm light, and then this one gives a white light. You know, so you can control with this knob at the back, and then like I said, you can also use battery to power if you want. So this is what it looks like without me touching it at all. So let me put off the ring light so you can see it by itself. Okay, so turn to myself. So this is the warm light. I don't know, it's going to take a while. So this is what it looks like using the warm light. Can you see? And then this is what it looks like using the white light on my face. I put up the ring light now, so I'm just using the light directly. It is really bright. So this is what it looks like using the warm white light. Really bright. Okay, so and then this is what it looks like using the warm light. Can you see? Okay, so I think with this light, so for me now with this light, let me put on the ring light so you can see what I'm. So my ring light is still there anyway. But I think for me, my verdict for this light is this is a perfect. Okay, so let me do it like this. Okay, yeah. So here is my verdict. This is what I think. I think that this light is a perfect support light. Like what I mean by that is if you want, because this, you know, you can adjust, you can make it at the tension of the neck. So this is an extension of the neck. I'm going to put it off now and then try to show you how this is an extension of the. This is an extension of the neck. I'm going to put it off now so I can show you how this works. So put it off. I also remove this one. So that you allow more movement for the neck. So I'll put this one first. Okay, like this. Okay. And you see. What I did was I put this one in here so I can have the neck a bit more flexible. So that's it. And then I put this here. If I put this on top of this, I want it on this. So this goes like that. So I just twist it and then that's it. So there's a knob here at the side here, you see. So once you unscrew the knob, it allows you to move the neck flexible. So that's what. So once you unscrew the knob here at this side, can you see this knob here? You unscrew it a bit, so it allows you that flexible movement, you know, you want. So that's it. So let me tighten it. So that's what I have. It's tight now. So I'll put it up like that. So I can adjust the lights by. So I can adjust where I want the light to be exposed like this. That's another good thing about it. I can expose it like this. I can, you know, make it more direct, or I can close it up if I don't want it too much on my face, you know. And I can open it up any side, then I can turn it up, and I can turn it down. Then because of the neck, turn it up, turn it down, you know, and then face direct, you know. So that's that about that. So this light is a good. So what do I think? I think that this light is a perfect light for support lights. You know, I because it doesn't have, it's direct to the face, so it might be a bit more. Look, can you see the way it shows directly to the face? So it might be a bit more. It's not as circular as what the ring light will do. You know, the ring light just kind of like helps you to balance the light. Can you see the different the ring lights and the direct lights. So so this can be a source of additional light. Like you need light to light up a place. This can be a perfect additional source of lighting, especially for videos. Like it just brightens the place instantly. You can turn it up to the ceiling, you can turn it straight to the background, whatever, but it gives a good source of light. But it's an additional. You can't use this one alone because it's not going to give you that feel. Look at the feel that ring light is giving me. It's even, but look at the feel that this is giving me when I put directly on my face. It's too much. Do you understand what I'm saying? Can you see the difference? This is it directly on my face, and then this is it just me using ring light, and it's even. Do you understand? So it's a backup light. It's I think it will best serve as backup light, like a support light that helps to illuminate your space. So if you need additional light, so instead of getting 2 ring lights, you can get one of this and one of the ring light, and then that's perfect. So I hope this video helps you. The light is really bright. I think it's a lot cheaper than ring light as well. So this is going currently for like around 30k, 28k, 30k, and you can also use your battery. You ring light stand, everything. It comes with the complete set. But if you want to buy the battery, I think that costs extra, so you have to pay for that. If you have any questions, just let me know as regard light or any question generally at all, till I come your way again with another light. So bye. Thank you so much for watching.